sunflowers are growing. Well, some of them. I planted seeds all around this thing of different types of sunflowers, different colors and stuff. Sorry, I'm a hot mess. We are doing a ton of yard work because, one, we wanted to for our house, and we've been doing it for the last several weeks. And now we have to get ready, or the yard ready, yards, for Kalie's last minute graduation party, which is next Sunday. It's so hot, I came in to get a break. Where'd they go? It is a mess, but it will be very nice eventually. We're gonna put up lights. I gotta clean up all the weeds that we pulled. Again, that won't stop coming back. Getting it ready for Kalie's graduation party and just for us. Her party's next Sunday. It's not a house party, so that doesn't mean everyone can come. Just to let you know. Kalie's power washing the walkway on the side of the house. Oopsies. I gotta pick up all these piles.
Yeah.
Wait.
There's a bee right in front of me. This is broccoli.